My channel and welcome back to Vlogmas 2018. We are on day 12 of the advent calendar, so let's get into it. We're going to start off with our Airwick calendar and we're just going to go straight in. Oh, scissors. Day number 12. Wow, we're literally halfway there, you guys. I can't even freaking cope. Can't cope right now. Ugh. I know I did like kind of a mini how I'm feeling so far yesterday. But yeah, just thought I would. I can't even get this one out. It's stuck. Oh no, I literally, it's moving all over the place. I wish you guys could see this. It's hilarious. Oh, but we have got the white one again, which is a winter wonderland. Very, very nice. I love it. Let's move on to the one that I made myself. Give myself a few little Christmassy gifts, didn't I? That's all it's about. Day number 12. I can see it. It's right here. Oh, this one feels a bit heavier. What's in this one? I can't remember. By the way, I have no idea what's in each one. Like, I can't remember. Ah, yes. So I'm excited to try this out. This is the CoverGirl Simply Ageless 3-in-1 liquid foundation. I got it in the shade Ivory. I'm hoping that it's going to match me. And yeah. Like, I've never tried CoverGirl foundations before. I thought it looked really, really cute. It's from B&M. And yeah, I just thought, you know, let's give it a bash. Let's give it a bash. Hopefully it'll be good. Let me know down below if you've used it and if you do think it's good. But I'm definitely going to try it out. There will be a Makeup Monday at some point on it. Might not be throughout January because obviously everything's so much planned for you guys. But yeah, so let's move on to the next one. And I'm going to pick up my sleek calendar right here. And 12. Ah, number 12. Oh, I'm seeing another little mini palette. That's exciting. So it is another mini eye divine. We've already got an eye divine. This is in the shade Storm. Because I do have a few of the eye divines, I don't know if I have Storm, and I don't know if these are just like limited edition ones that were made just for the palette, which would make sense if they were. But let's have a look inside. Oh, I mean, I don't think I have it. This is what they look like. Now these are all much more different. The other one I think was a very, very wearable palette, but as I did touch on, the shades were very similar. Whereas these ones, there are a lot of very different shades. And yes, oh my god, I'm so excited. I do want to do like a makeup look with each palette just to show you guys what you can do with these. Also, these would be really good travel palettes. I tend to, when I do travel palettes, I like a travel palette to have, if possible, eyes and face in it. But this alongside like the sleek face contour one would be like, you could take that on holiday with you and you could get natural looks and like smoky looks out of it. Oh yes, sleek. I'm happy with that. Very excited. Let's move on to the Soap and Glory one. Now surely this is not going to be another sample. It can't be. Not today. Not today, Zerg. Oh boy. That's a little Toy Story reference if anyone did get that. Oh, okay, I'm excited. Yes, do you remember earlier in the show, earlier in the season, that we got a Sexy Mother Pucker, then we got another one, and I did say I hope there's more in here. Oh, there is. This one is Pillow Plump in the shade... I don't actually know. Is Pillow Plump the shade, or is that, did it say that on the last one? Oh no, I actually don't even know, you guys. I'm so sorry, but... Pinkwell! It's called Pinkwell! And it's just like a pinky one. I'm not going to put it on, because I already have stuff on my lips, but... Smells like, it has that like chocolatey smell to it, similar to the other ones. Do you know what it smells like? That smell is similar to the Makeup Revolution chocolate lip things that they did. It's like a similar smell. But yes, I'm so glad, because I was hoping there was going to be some more of these so I can try them out and see if I get blue lips. If only they actually did ones that made your wrinkles go away. Ugh. Anyway, moving on. Where are we? L. Let's go into the L. Let's go into L. L magazine brought out a calendar and this is it. Number 12. Number 12. I see number 13. That's not the one we need. This is the one we need here, which is number 12. I'm just going to get straight into it and be like, get out of here. Get out of here. I don't even care anymore. Oh, okay, so this is definitely a repeat product. This product comes in many like advent calendars and subscription boxes, but it is a genuinely really good product. I have a mini one that I've been using. I think I've got a couple more that I've received, but it is a really good product. I use this alongside my Kat Von D one. And yeah, it's just a skinny liquid liner. I believe that I've actually got now also like a chunky version of this, which I haven't tried out yet. But yeah, it's the Ico London Skinny Liquid Liner in black, and it is a really good product, so thumbs up, you guys. Let's move on to the glossy box. Glossy box number 12. Oh, I don't need that for this one. No, oh wow, number 12 is here and it's quite a big one. So let's see what's inside. I'm excited. Oh, it's a palette. Ah, it's an MUA palette. So I think I have one MUA palette that Mercedes got me, and it definitely wasn't this one. This looks like a nice palette. I'm seeing some nice shades in here. It's called Cosmic Vixen. Ooh, pretty. That is very pretty. Yes, I'm liking it. Yay! Oh, I'm excited to try that out. Yes, we'll be trying that out, you guys. I can definitely do a video on that for you guys and just let you see what it's like, how it's working, and all that jazz. 2, 4, 6. Oh, on that note, cheers, my lovelies. Why do I always go on like a posh British accent when I say that? Ching ching. Thought I'd just stick my pinky out for you there. Number 12 is here. They're all a little bit like all over the place now, but it's fine. Oop, I think this is going to be another body wash. We did get a few body washes the last time. This is from that like special like range of the Japanese something that I can't remember the name of it. I use it all the time. I'm useless. This one is Adriatic Peony. Oh, that's really nice as well. Oh yeah. So this is a body wash, but that is really, really nice. Smells gorgeous. I love it. Oh yes, can't wait to try that one out. Let's move on to the Look Fantastic one. This is a Grow Gorgeous, thickening hair and scalp mask. I don't really need my hair thickening, although as I'm getting older it's probably going to thinnen. Oh, it is sealed, so I'm going to leave it for now just because I have a few masks on the go. But I definitely will try that out. This is what it looks like. Yeah, alright, excited. Very excited. Say I could be Alice again, couldn't I? I mean, that's a bit sad. Anyways, let's move on. And that's actually it. I've opened them all. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm actually pretty happy with today's things. We've got a couple of eyeshadow palettes. Even my own thing that I made, I'm quite happy with. And, ooh, I can't wait for this. It smells so nice. And that Sexy Mother Pucker, like, lip gloss. Today's been a good day for advent calendars, let's just put it that way. Like, I'm really, really pleased with what I've got so far. So, yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. I hope you're having a good December. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye!